Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about all things HR, leadership, and employee development, and more. And today we're diving into individual development plans, what they are, why they matter, and how they can boost both employee growth and business success. So let's get started. So what is an IDP? An individual development plan, or an IDP, is a structured roadmap that outlines an employee's career goals and the skills they need to achieve them. It's a personalized plan designed to align professional aspirations with company objectives through training, mentorship, and goal setting. So why should organizations care about IDPs? Well, here are a few key reasons. First up is career growth. IDPs help employees define and achieve their professional goals. Second, skill development. They identify areas for improvement and guide training efforts. Next up is employee engagement. When employees see a clear career path for growth, they stay motivated. Retention is another big one. Investing in development encourages long-term commitment. Performance improvement is also key. IDPs align individual growth with business success. And lastly, succession planning. They prepare employees for leadership roles, ensuring a strong talent pipeline. So now that we have that information, let's take a look at how you can create your own IDPs right inside Microsoft Teams. Alright, so once we're inside Teamflect, here we are on our homepage, let's quickly click on our profile page. Once you're in your profile, if you scroll a little bit down, you'll see Ready to Grow. Now to get started, let's click on Create Individual Development Plan. Once we do so, we're met with Choose Your Main Goal, but we're going to take a few steps and set our timeline, define our objectives, select competencies, and add goals and resources as need be. So let's go through the motions together, shall we? Let's choose our main goal first. Let's say move to a new role. Now let's click on Next and set our timeline. Is it a short-term burst, medium-term journey, or a long-term evolution? For this example, let's go with medium-term journey. And again, click on Next. And now we're in the Define Objectives section. Here we'll be putting in our career objectives in this box right here. So let's put it in. You also have the option to enhance with AI with this description. And if you don't want to go ahead with that, you also have some inspiration here with a few examples. And then we'll just be putting in the number of years in our current position and the total number of years in similar positions. And let's go ahead and click Next. Now we're in the Envision Your Future Role section. Here you can see right in the middle there are suggested next roles based on our career path, but you can also choose roles from the catalog that we offer. So here you see all of the other roles. And let's go with Senior Marketing Director with the suggested ones. And then we have Select Time to Move. So let's go ahead with within 6 months. And now we can click on Next again. Now we're in the Select Competencies to Develop section. And here again, like we did in the Define Future Role section, there are suggestions that we can choose from. Or we can opt for competencies from the catalog as well. But with this one, let's go ahead with Strategic Vision, and why don't we choose Organizational Leadership. And once you choose all of your competencies, you can click on Next to move on to adding goals related to all of the competencies and roles that we just defined. Again, you have the option to see AI-generated goals, or you can add goals from existing ones, or opt to create new ones. Let's try the AI-generated ones. And here you see all the different selections from our AI feature for goal recommendations. And you can click on See Goal. And there's, as you can see, as any normal goal types that we have, the description, title, everything is the same, but just AI generated. and you can add them as they are or customize as needed. Let's do the same process for organizational leadership competency as well. Again, with AI generated goals, let's click on See Goal and Create. And now that our goals are created, you can see Develop Strategic Vision is right here, and Enhance Leadership Skills is also right here. So let's just click on Next. And now we're in our last section, which is the support and resources part. So what learning materials or courses do we need to develop these competencies? And how can the company or our manager support us? And once you fill these out, you also have the section about mentorship. So do we have a mentor in the organization? If yes, select your mentor. If not, let's just click on No. And you're done. You can create your individual development plan with just a click. And once you're done, you can also schedule a one-on-one with your manager, or you can close this notification that you've just created your individual development plan. So let's click on Close for now, and you're good to go. That's a quick look at why individual development plans are a game changer. Does your company use IDPs? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you'd never miss an update from us. And you can try out all these features for free or schedule a demo through the link in the description below. See you in the next one.